Would you believe me if I told you you can make this necklace in under 30 seconds? Keep watching this video and I'll show you exactly how. The suede cord comes in increments of 10 yards or 100 yards. You want to begin first by cutting the suede at your preferred length. You want to have enough space to create a knot in the back. So you want it to be fairly long. Once you've cut the suede cord, take the two ends of the suede cord and bring them to where they meet. Slide it into the hole of the heart and then take the two, insert it back into the hole of the suede cord and pull it all the way through to where it creates this knotting effect. And then see here, it's kind of twisted. That's no problem. You can just go back and fix that little twist to make sure that it's not twisted and it's sitting right. And once you're done, this is what it'll look like. And all you need to do to wear it is tie it in the back like a knot. And just like that, in under even 30 seconds, you made the cutest suede cord necklace. If you feel like wearing it as a choker, you can wear it as a choker. You could even make a knot in the front as well. Like that. I also wanted to show you guys these two new heart charms. I think would pair super cute in the same collection. For example, here's one of the hoops that is in 18 karat gold plated stainless steel. You just pop it open, slide the charm onto the hoop, and then close the hoop back up. And just like that, you have the cutest heart earrings. Here's another pair of little hoop earrings that we carry with Pave CZ stones on it. All you need to do is just pop it open, slide the heart onto that, and then close it up. And just like that, you have the cutest heart earrings again. Here's another option of a thicker hoop that you could slide the heart charm on. Here's what the earrings would look like on. This is the mini CZ Pave one that I had shown earlier too. I'll go ahead and I'll link all the hoops and all the material that I used in this video down below in the description, so you can just click the link and it will redirect you to our website where you can shop all of these items. We carry this suede cord in so many different colors that you can choose from. All the pendants are also available in stainless steel without gold plating on top. The beautiful thing about stainless steel is that it's hypoallergenic and 100% tarnish free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this content and we'll see you guys in our next video.